also watched a TikTok video and then after a few minutes realized that you've actually just been watching the same 15-second video clip on repeat over and over again? Because same. Well, that's a seamless looped TikTok. Creators use this technique to keep viewers engaged and drive up their views. And it works. So in this video, I'll show you how to loop a TikTok video and share some tips to make it as seamless as possible. Now, before I show you how to edit a loop TikTok video, you first need to make sure that your script will work as a loop TikTok video. This is because we'll be cutting between a sentence and moving half the clip to the end of the video. So the hook for my TikTok video is video editors will lose their jobs because of AI, and then I go through and explain how AI can help speed up editing. But in order for this script to work as a loop TikTok, this sentence needs to be able to be broken down into two parts and make sense when played together and separately. For example, which is why video editors will lose their jobs because of AI. I will then be able to make a cut between the words why and video and move the clips around in the edit to create the loop. And to practice this formula, you can use a TikTok script generator and try to apply these steps to turn them into seamless videos. It might also help you come up with some creative ideas too. So I've uploaded my video to my video editor, which is VEED. And if I press play, I can find the section that I need to make the cut that will result in the loop TikTok video. To make this easier, I can press the waveform button and this will show me the audio waveform, and I can use this to help find where I need to make the cut. Which is why press S to split the clip. And once you've made the cut between the words, you cannot trim the end of the first clip or the beginning of the second, as it would make the cut a jump cut rather than a loop. And now drag the first clip all the way to the end of the video, select the empty space at the beginning and press the backspace button, and now your timeline will shift to the beginning. And if you play back the video, you'll see that it has made a complete TikTok loop. Now let's say that you have a video that has been edited and has a few cuts in it. For this example, I'm using a different version of the same video where I had to retake a few of the sentences, so you can see that there is a jump cut here. You can easily hide these cuts by adding B-roll or images over the top to create the illusion of a seamless loop TikTok. You can find high quality B-roll within VEED's editor just by searching in the stock footage library, or you can use the AI image generator to create images that can then be placed over the top of the cuts in the timeline. Now that I'm happy with my finished TikTok loop, I can export it by clicking the done button in the top right corner and waiting for VEED to render it out. And that's how to loop a TikTok video. If you want to learn how to animate TikTok subtitles, click this video here. I hope you found this helpful and I'll see you next time.